Hey, what's up, entrepreneurs? If you're looking to unlock your full potential, let me tell you about the most crucial set of skills you need right now. Digital skills. Look, the world is changing fast, and the internet has leveled the playing field. Whether you're diving into digital marketing, starting an online business, or freelancing, digital skills are your golden ticket. First off, digital marketing. Imagine reaching millions of potential customers with just a few clicks. Learn how to master social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Get to grips with SEO, email marketing, and pay-per-click ads. It's all about getting your brand in front of the right eyes. Next, let's talk starting an online business. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. You can set up an e-commerce store in a matter of hours. Use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even just your own website. Understand the basics of web design, product photography, and customer service. The tools are out there, and most of them are free or low cost. And then there's freelancing. If you're skilled in graphic design, writing, coding, or virtually anything, you can make a living from anywhere in the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are bustling marketplaces. Learn how to build a killer profile, market yourself, and manage clients. So, here's the deal. Mastering these digital skills isn't just an option anymore, it's essential. Invest in yourself. Take online courses, watch tutorials, and practice. You've got the drive, you've got the vision, now get the skills to match. The future is digital, and it's waiting for you to conquer it. Alright, that's it from me today. Get out there and start making it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more entrepreneurial tips. Catch you later.